Hello, I'm Eliana from Flow, and in this video we'll be discussing Folio item records. To find an item record in Folio's inventory app, you need to first pull up the instance it's attached to. You can either use the indexes in the Instance and Holdings tab, or if you know your item's barcode or HRID, you can jump to the Item tab and perform your search there. Once you've found the desired result, you can click on it to bring up the Instance Details pane. From there, you need to expand the Holdings tab to see any items attached. Some instance records will have multiple holdings, so you may need to refer to the location or call number to make sure you're looking at the correct tab. In the Item Records brief view, you can scroll horizontally to see the item status, effective location, material type, and other basic details. You can also click on the clipboard button to copy the item's barcode for use in other apps. If you need to see more details or perform any actions on the item record, you can click on the barcode directly to see the full detail display. As with instance and holding records, I can see all identifiers and when this record was last updated in the header. The item status will also display here. The rest of the item record is broken down into collapsible tabs. Some tabs that are unique to the item record are the Loan and Availability tab and the Circulation History tab. These tabs will show you information about which patron the item is currently loaned to, as well as where and when the item was last checked in. While in the item record's full view, you can click on the Actions button to access the Edit, Duplicate, and Delete options. This is also where you'll find your missing, withdrawn, and in-process statuses, and the button for placing a request on the item for a patron. If you need to edit any other part of the item record, you can select the Edit option to make changes. Custom-populated fields will be grayed out, whereas all editable fields will either be drop-downs, date pickers, or free text boxes. From the Edit screen, you can also suppress an item from discovery. Similar to Holdings records, the button to add items is located within the instance record instead of in the Actions button dropdown. You can find it next to the Holdings tab. Make sure you click the Add Item button next to the Holdings record that you want to add an item to. Instances with more than one holding will have multiple Add Item buttons. This concludes this overview on item records in Folio.